What if the biggest leap in human history wasn't human? What if some of our greatest inventions, microchips, spacecraft, artificial intelligence, weren't discovered, but delivered? Tonight, we're diving into a possibility that sounds insane. Until you start connecting the dots, are aliens just watching us? Or have they been upgrading us? For thousands of years, civilizations looked up at the sky and saw gods. In Book of Ezekiel, there's a description of wheels within wheels descending from the heavens. In ancient India's Mahabharata, flying machines called vimanas travel across the sky where these myths, or misunderstood encounters. Fast forward to the 20th century, and the sky becomes mechanical. In 1947, something crashed near Roswell. The military first announced they had recovered a flying disc. Hours later, they changed the story. Weather balloon, case closed. Except it wasn't. Conspiracy theorists claimed the debris was not from Earth and that it was taken to Area 51. That's where the theory gets interesting. Some believe the US government began reverse engineering alien technology, and then something strange happened. Technology exploded. In 1947, the same year as Roswell, the transistor was invented. That invention eventually led to microchips, computers, smartphones. Coincidence or catalyst? The transistor was developed at Bell Labs. But some researchers argue the leap in complexity happened too fast. From vacuum tubes to integrated circuits in just a few decades. From room-sized machines to pocket supercomputers. Critics say human innovation compounds. Believers say something accelerated it, and they point to this next chapter. In 1989, a man named Bob Lazar went public. He claimed he worked at a secret facility near Area 51 called S4. His job? Reverse engineering alien spacecraft. He described a propulsion system powered by a then-unknown element, element 115. Years later, scientists synthesized moscovium, element 115. Skeptics say it's unstable and useless. Supporters say Lazar was decades ahead. Was he lying or leaking? Let's go further back. The Great Pyramid of Giza aligns almost perfectly with true north. Precision we struggle to replicate today. The Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek device, calculated astronomical positions thousands of years ago. The Nazca lines can only be fully seen from the sky. Coincidence or instruction manual? Some theorists argue extraterrestrials visited ancient civilizations, guiding mathematics, architecture, astronomy, not as conquerors, but as teachers. In 2017, something changed. The United States Department of Defense confirmed leaked footage of unidentified aerial phenomena. One video, captured by Navy pilots, showed objects moving at impossible speeds. No visible propulsion, no wings, no heat signature. Congress held hearings. Pentagon reports admitted some objects remain unexplained. That's not aliens, but it's not nothing. Artificial intelligence, quantum computing, hypersonic propulsion, the speed of advancement feels exponential. Moore's law predicted computing power doubling roughly every 2 years. But what if that curve isn't purely organic? What if someone nudged the domino? Some conspiracy circles suggest secret agreements, technology exchanged for secrecy. There's no hard evidence, but the pattern of sudden leaps keeps people asking. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Humans don't like chaos. When innovation feels too fast, we search for hidden hands. Aliens become a narrative anchor. It's easier to believe in outside intervention than to accept how rapidly human intelligence compounds. But dismissing everything as fantasy may be just as naive. History is full of classified truths revealed decades later. So, are aliens upgrading us? There's no verified proof, but there are patterns, unexplained sightings, strange technological acceleration, ancient anomalies. Maybe aliens visited, maybe they didn't. Or maybe the real story is this: humanity itself is the experiment, and the upgrade is happening inside us. The sky has always watched. The only question is something watching back?